Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Abapalli Ramprasad. Today we are going to discuss the LeetCode daily challenge problem, which is lemonade change. Just pause the video for 1 minute, guys. Go through the question thoroughly. Let me go to the blackboard and explain you what actually the question asking us to do. This is what actually the given example, guys. This is the bills of the customers who paid to the lemonade stand, and there are certain rules in our question. Those are like each customer will only buy one lemonade and pay with either 5, 10, or 20. Each customer will only buy one lemonade and they pay with either 5, 10, or $20. Okay, what actually we have to do in this question? We must provide the correct change to each customer. If we provide correct change to each customer, we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return false. And one more rule is like cost of one lemonade is $5. Okay, and in our statement, in our question statement, they have stated that our customers are in queue. So I will write the order of the customers first. Okay, first 5, 5, 5, 10, and 20. Okay, they are in queue now. This is owner's account. Initially, there is no change with owner. Okay, initially he is with 0. Now we are starting at here. The first customer comes in and buys a lemonade which costs $5. So he pays $5 to the owner, and the owner will not return anything to this first customer. Why? Because the cost of lemonade is 5 rupees and the customer paid is 5 rupees. So 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So owner not returning anything to the first customer. So he went out. Now we are at second customer. Similarly, this customer also comes in and buys a lemonade. Okay, he paid 5 rupees. So the owner will not returning anything to this customer. Now we are at third customer. This customer also pays 5 rupees and owner not returning anything to this customer. And we are at fourth customer. This customer paying 10 rupees to the owner. Okay, but the cost of the lemonade is 5 rupees. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So owner should have to pay 5 rupees in return to the customer. So I am paying 5 rupees to the customer, and the customer went out. Now we are at this customer. This customer pays 20 rupees. So he is paying 20 rupees. Now the cost of the lemonade is 5 rupees. So 20 minus 5 equal to 15. So the owner should have to return 15 rupees to this customer. So I have to pick 10 rupees and 5 rupees, and I have to return this to this customer. So I'm paying 10 plus 5 rupees, that equal to 15 rupees to this customer. Okay, so here we are provided the correct change to each customer. So we return true here. For example, let's take 20 here. Okay, now think it like we are at here, this customer. So this customer also paid 20 rupees. Okay, so the cost is like 20. The cost is like 5. So we have to pay in return 15 rupees to this customer. But check here, we only have 5 rupees change. We don't have change. So here we return false. That means we are not providing the correct change to each customer. That is what actually the intention of this question. Okay, let me quickly go through the coding part, guys. This is our driver code, guys. First, I'm initializing the number of fives counter. Number of the fives counter equal to initially 0, and int number of tens counter, tens equal to 0 initially. Now I have to iterate over these customer bills. Okay, For int bills, sorry, bills, if bill equal to 5, I have to increment our number of fives counter. Control V plus plus. Else if our bill equal to 10, then first I will increment our number of tens counter. V, control V. Now I check if number of fives equal to 0, then I return false here. Okay, else else number of fives minus minus. Okay, else if we encounter bill equal to 20, equal to 20, then I first check if number of fives equal to 0, I directly return false. Else I just write this in brackets. Okay, else if number of fives greater than 0 and number of tens greater than 0, then I decrement number of fives counter and number of tens counter here. Number of fives greater than 0 and number of tens greater than 0. Then I decrement these variables. I decrement number of fives here, and I also decrement number of tens here. Else if we have number of fives greater than 2, then we have to decrement our number of fives counter to 3 here. Copy to the number of fives minus equal to 3 here. Okay, and else I return false here. False. Finally, I return true. True here. Okay, what actually we are doing in our code here first. Okay, if we encounter 5, we are incrementing our number of fives counter. Okay, if we encounter 10, okay, if we encounter 10, we are incrementing our tens counter, and we are checking if there is no 5. If there is no 5, there is no chance of giving change to that customer. So I'm checking if there is no 5, I'm directly returning false. Okay, else if there is a 5, so I am just decrementing the 5's counter. And here when we encounter 20, I'm first checking that number of fives equal to 0. If equal to 0, then we should return false. Why we should return false? If the customer pays 20 to us, so we have to return 15. But we don't have even one 5 coin. So then we directly return false here. Okay. Otherwise, if number of fives get greater than 0 and number of tens greater than 0, so I'll pick one 10 coin and one 5 coin and give a return to that customer. Okay, so that is how I am decrementing these two variables here. And else if we have three 5 coins, then also we have a chance to return these three coins to that particular customer. So and if it is also not possible, and then I'm returning false directly here. So if the program comes out from for loop, then we are returning true. So that means we have a chance to return change to the customers. Okay, let me run the program, guys. Okay, expected semicolon. Okay. Okay, the code accepted. The runtime is 0 ms. I will just submit this code and let's check. Yes, the question accepted successfully. So this is how we actually solve this problem. If you like my approach and my code quality, please do subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you.